Welcome to Shining Kiddos.
Let's learn and shine together.
Hi, little friends. Are you ready for an exciting indoor games adventure? Let's discover fun indoor games like bowling, chess, ring toss, puzzles, and more. Ready? Here we go. Ludo. This is Ludo. Players roll a dice to move their tokens. They race around the board to reach home. The first player to finish wins the game. Snakes and ladders. This is snakes and ladders. Players roll the dice and move forward. Ladders help players climb higher. Snakes make players slide down the board. Chess. This is chess. Players move different pieces across the board. Every piece has its own special move. Smart thinking helps win the game. Jenga. This is Jenga. Players carefully remove one wooden block. They place it on top of the tower.
Careful.
The player who makes it fall loses. Carom. This is Carom. Players use a striker to hit the coins. They pocket the coins into the corners.
I got one.
Good aim helps win the game. Connect 4. This is Connect 4. Players drop colored discs into the board. 4 discs in a row in the game. Think carefully before every move. Uno.
I'm gonna win this.
This is Uno. Players match cards by color or number.
Look at this action
Special
card.
cards can
No
change
way,
the
that
game
is
quickly.
not fair.
The first player to use all their cards
I'm gonna
wins.
win this.
Skee-Ball. This is Skee-Ball. Players roll balls up a ramp. The balls land in different scoring rings. Higher scores earn more points. Puzzle game. This is a puzzle game. Players fit the pieces together correctly. Each piece helps complete the picture. Patience and careful thinking make puzzles fun. Memory matching game. This is a memory matching game. Players turn over 2 cards at a
I
time.
found the matching
Matching
pair.
pairs stay face up. A good memory helps players find more matches. Dominoes. This is Dominoes. Players match tiles with the same number of dots. Each move helps build the game. The first player to use all their tiles wins. Bowling. This is bowling. Players roll a heavy ball toward 10 pins. The goal is to knock down as many pins as possible. A strike happens when all the pins fall in one roll. Table football, Foosball. This is table football. Players turn rods to move tiny football players. They kick the ball into the opponent's goal. Quick hands help score more goals. Air hockey. This is air hockey. Players use paddles to hit a floating puck. The puck glides quickly across the smooth table. The winner scores the most goals. Table tennis. This is table tennis. Players hit the ball with small paddles. They rally the ball over the net. Fast reflexes help score points. Billiards. This is billiards. Players use a cue stick to hit the balls. The balls roll smoothly across a special table. Good aim and careful control help players score points. Shuffleboard. This is Shuffleboard. Players slide special discs across a long court. The goal is to land the discs in scoring areas. Gentle control helps players score more points. Mini golf indoor. This is mini golf. Players use a putter to hit the golf ball. The goal is to roll the ball into the hole. Careful aim helps players finish with fewer shots. Snooker. This is snooker. Players use a cue stick to pocket colored balls. The game is played on a large table. Careful planning helps players earn more points. Darts. This is darts. Players throw small darts at a round target. The closer to the center, the more points they earn. Steady hands help players aim better. Hopscotch, indoor mat. This is Hopscotch. Players hop through numbered squares. Balance helps them reach the end. It is a fun game for exercise and coordination. Checkers, draughts. This is checkers. Players move their pieces across the board diagonally. Jumping over an opponent's piece captures it. The player who captures all the opponent's pieces wins. Indoor cornhole. This is indoor cornhole. Players toss soft bean bags toward a raised board. A bean bag in the hole scores the most points. The player with the highest score wins. Scrabble. This is Scrabble. Players use letter tiles to make words. Longer words can earn more points. Good spelling helps players win the game.
Thanks for watching and subscribe.